Sexually transmitted diseases. The diseases which are transmitted by sexual contact from an infected person to a healthy person are known as sexually transmitted diseases. They are caused by various microorganisms that live in warm and moist environments of the vagina, urethra, anus, and mouth. Some of common sexually transmitted diseases are gonorrhea, syphilis, trichomoniasis, AIDS. Gonorrhea is caused by bacterium Neisseria gonorrhea. It is characterized by inflammation of urinogenital tract and the patient feel burning sensation during urination. This bacterium infects the ureter in men and the cervix in women. Syphilis is caused by bacterium Treponema palladium. It is characterized by lesions in the mucous membrane of urinogenital tract and ulcers on genitalia. Trichomoniasis is caused by protozoan Trichomonas vaginalis. It is characterized by some vaginal discharge at the urinogenital tract of the female. AIDS is caused by a virus called HIV, which suppresses the body's immune mechanism and thereby making it susceptible to any disease. Mode of transmission of AIDS is sexual contact, transfusion of blood from an infected person through infected needles used for injection through the placenta from the mother to child during pregnancy.